Cash advance apps with no rollover fees are designed to give users access to earned money or short-term advances without adding extra charges from carrying a balance forward. By the end, you'll know how no rollover fee cash advance apps work, what fees to check before using one, and how to compare these apps before choosing one. The first thing to check is the fee structure. A cash advance app can advertise fast access to money, but the total cost depends on the fees connected to the advance. Apps without rollover fees can help avoid one specific type of extra cost, because unpaid balances are not extended with additional rollover charges. You still need to review all other possible fees before using the service. The second thing to check is eligibility. Cash advance apps often have requirements related to account setup, income information, or connection to financial accounts. Before signing up, read the requirements carefully. Knowing what information the app needs helps you decide if the service fits your situation. Another important factor is repayment. Check how the app explains repayment timing and what happens after receiving an advance. A clear repayment process helps you understand when money will be withdrawn or when the advance needs to be settled. Look for apps that show these details before confirming a request. You should also compare available features. Some apps focus on early access to earned wages, while others provide short-term advances based on account activity. The right option depends on what you need and what terms the app provides. A lower fee option is only useful if the repayment terms and requirements work for you. Before using any cash advance app, check 3 things: the complete fee list, the repayment process, and the information required to qualify. User reviews can also help identify common issues. Look for feedback about unexpected charges, confusing repayment rules, or problems with customer support. Cash advance apps can provide temporary access to funds, but they should be used with a clear understanding of the costs and repayment schedule. A practical next step is to compare 2 or 3 apps, read their fee pages, and choose the one with the clearest terms. If this guide helped you understand cash advance apps better, like the video and subscribe for more comparisons of financial apps and online tools.